Hello students, I am Sir Irone, your Science 9 teacher, and welcome to our new lesson for the week. Today's discussion will focus on the topic of Module 1 entitled Different Types of Volcanoes, and we will be guided by our learning competency. Describe the different types of volcanoes and volcanic eruptions. Philippines is home to several volcanoes because of its location in the Pacific Ring of Fire. The term volcano refers to a mountain or a hill, typically conical in shape, having a crater or a vent in which lava, hot vapors, rock fragments, and gas are or have been erupted from the Earth's crust. Lava and other volcanic matter originated from molten materials called magma underneath the Earth's surface. Any movement of magma towards or onto the surface is called as volcanism. There are three parts of a volcano. First, the summit, which is the highest peak or the apex of a volcano containing the opening or the vent. The second is the slope, which are the sides or the flanks radiating from the main vent. And the base, which is the lower outermost part of a volcano. Volcanoes can be classified in several ways. Today's discussion will focus on the structure, which is characterized by the shape, the parts, and formation. First is a cinder cone volcano. They are the simplest among the types of volcanoes. They are built from particles and blobs of solidified lava ejected from a single vent. Most cinder cone volcanoes have a steep slope, circular or oval cone, wide craters, and are the most abundant among the different types of volcanoes. The famous Taal volcano in Batangas, Mount Mayabobo in Quezon Province, and Mount Musuan in Bukidnon are examples of cinder cone volcanoes in our country, while Mount Paricutin in Mexico is an example outside of the Philippines. Second is a composite volcano. Known also as stratovolcanoes, they are large, typically steep-sided, symmetrical cones of large dimensions formed from alternating layers of lava flows, volcanic ash, cinders, blocks, and pyroclastic materials. They are formed from viscous or sticky lava that does not flow easily and builds up around a vent, forming a volcano with steep sides. Some famous composite volcanoes in the Philippines are Mount Mayon in Albay, Mount Arayat in Pampanga, Mount Canlaon in Negros Island, and Mount Apo in Davao Region, while Mount Rainier in Washington, USA, and Mount Fuji in Japan are examples outside our country. The third type is a shield volcano. They are large, broad volcanoes that look like a shield from above. They are built almost entirely of fluid lava flow, thus these volcanoes are not that steep. They are easily identified because they are tall, broad, with flat and rounded shapes. Eruptions of these volcanoes are relatively safe and becomes only explosive if water gets into the vent. Most of the volcanoes found in Hawaii, such as the Mauna Loa, are examples of shield volcanoes. According to PHIVOLCS or Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, our country has more than 100 volcanoes, 24 of which are active, which means they erupted within 10,000 years, or either inactive, which did not erupt for more than 10,000 years, or potentially active, which means no recorded of eruption have been made, but they are morphologically young-looking. And those are the different types of volcanoes. And remember, these landforms are already part of the ever-changing physical and geological structure and features of our planet. It is very important for us to know not only their types, but how each type of a volcano is formed. You will never know when and where a volcano may form or even erupt. So once again, this is Sir Irone reminding everyone to stay aware and be alert because science is super awesome. Bye!